Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm going to share with you all Mossamri Volume 5 Printed Lawn Collection. Total 7 designs are there. 4 designs are completely sold out. So the first design of today is going to be, this is the first design, very pretty sky blue shade. So here comes the front of the shirt. This is going to be the front. मैं इसको और पास से आपको प्रिंटिंग दिखा देती हूँ. There's this very pretty floral print. So this is going to be the neck print, followed by this daman border. Alright, moving on, we have this printed back with the border design, and further moving on, we have these printed sleeves. All are guaranteed originals with proper branding. Next we have this printed bottom, followed by this contrasting dupatta, a very pretty one. See, alright, yeah, आप देख लीजिए. All these codes are available in multiples. You can contact on the number provided on the screen. Contact details and pricing have been mentioned on the screen itself. Please don't ask for COD availability. COD is not available as of now. Alright, moving on. Here comes the next design, mustard shade. Again, we'll start from the front of the shirt. See, what a beautiful neckline. Very pretty neckline print. Followed by this border. Next, we have this printed back, followed by the printed sleeves. Alright, here comes the dyed bottom, mustard in shade, and next we have this motif printed beautiful dupatta. See, alright, moving on. So here comes the third code of today, off-white in shade. This is also a very pretty code. Again, we'll start from the front of the shirt. Videos आने में I am irregular these days because I am a bit busy. ठीक है, तो इसलिए वीडियोस लेट हो रही हैं. स्टॉक इज़ गेटिंग अपडेटेड एवरी नाउ एंड देन. ऐसा नहीं है स्टॉक नहीं आ रहा है, बट आई एम माई सेल्फ बिजी, इसलिए वीडियोस आने में लेट हो रहा है. यू कैन चेक द अवेलेबिलिटी. जो दोज वर कनेक्टेड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम ना, इंस्टाग्राम पे आई एम रेगुलरली अपडेटिंग ऑल माई अवेलेबल स्टॉक. सो सी, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द प्रिंटेड नेकलाइन, followed by this border design. Alright, moving on, we have this printed back, very beautiful shade, very pretty color contrast, and here comes the printed sleeves. Alright, this is a very beautiful code. Next we have this dyed plain bottom, followed by this beautiful floral printed dupatta. See, मैं इसको ओपन करके आपको शो करती हूँ. Let me show. See, these are the multicolor borders. Very beautiful colors they have introduced in this, which is making it very attractive. So here comes the dupatta. इसका मेरे पास शायद एक ही, only one piece is left इस वाले डिज़ाइन में. Alright, so moving on, here comes the fourth design of today, very pretty sea green color. I think ये ओवरऑल फ्रंट में, हाँ. So let's start with the front of the shirt. ये रहेगा इसका बॉर्डर पैटर्न, बहुत ही यूनिक डिस्टिंक्ट डिज़ाइन दे हैव इंट्रोड्यूस, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, इसका कलर भी बहुत प्यारा है. फ्रंट एंड बैक इज सेम. ऑल राइट, एंड मूविंग ऑन वी हैव दीज sleeves. All right, here comes the dyed bottom followed by this beautiful dupatta. See, very pretty floral printed dupatta, nothing extra, minimal prints के साथ बहुत ही अच्छे light weighted fabric. Mausamri remains light weighted fabric. It remains in demand every time because it is light weighted, comfortable and breathable fabric. All right, moving on. See, this is the next code, black in color. So here comes the neckline print. ठीक है, ombre kind of shade is there. ये रहेगा इसका neckline followed by this border design. Moving on we have this printed back, and further moving on we have these printed sleeves. All right, here comes the dyed black bottom followed by this beautiful dupatta. All right, this is the dupatta. Teal and black का combination है. All right, moving on. See now, here comes the next code, a very pretty green color again. बहुत ही अच्छे मिनिमल प्रिंट्स हैं इसके इस बार ना, बहुत ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं मौसमरी के, कुछ भी भरा भरा नहीं है, बहुत ही लाइट वेटेड सूट्स हैं. लाइट वेटेड का मतलब ये नहीं है दीज आर नॉट एट ऑल ट्रांसपेरेंट, ऐसा नहीं है, इसका फैब्रिक बहुत हल्का है. सी, हियर कम्स द फ्रंट ऑफ द शर्ट विद द बॉर्डर डिज़ाइन. मूविंग ऑन वी हैव दिस बैक followed by the sleeves. ठीक है, next comes the dyed bottom followed by this dupatta, floral printed dupatta. See, again I am saying contact details and pricing have been mentioned on the screen itself. Please don't ask for COD availability. ठीक है, so this was the overall design. Moving on, so a yellow shade again. ठीक है, this is the last code of today. ये ओवरऑल है इसका प्रिंट जो है ना, एंड बॉर्डर्स आर देयर ऑन द साइड्स. ठीक है, सी, दिस इज द फ्रंट ऑफ द शर्ट, बॉर्डर्स आर प्रोवाइडेड ऑन द साइड्स. ठीक है, moving on we have the same exact same printed back, and further moving on we have these sleeves, overall on the same print. इसको सही कर देना. ठीक है, next here comes the bottom, and now we have this beautifully printed dupatta. ठीक है, very pretty, very classy. Those who are fond of floral prints, बहुत ही अच्छा ऑप्शन है. All right, so these were the total codes of today. Hope you like the video. Inshallah I'll be coming with the next video soon. Thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.